Anyone else have a tiny cluttered front closet? I have some tricks for you. Begin by completely emptying out the closet. If your closet is outdated like mine, add a coat of paint. When it's dry, add the top shelves back in place. Next, I added a shoe rack for easy access to board games. You could also add shoes, scarves, gloves, or other items. The possibilities are endless. After filling the rack, I neatly tucked my vacuum next to it. Next, I added a mixture of cloth and plastic bins with the remainder of the toys from the closet. I then placed them on the top shelves. After that, I screwed in some hooks to add our hats. Not enough closet space in your bedroom? Try this! Begin by measuring your space and cutting. I cut my boards using my chop saw. If you don't have a chop saw, you can have your boards cut at Home Depot or Lowe's. After my boards were cut, I sanded them with a piece of fine grit sandpaper. Next, I marked where I wanted my shelves to go. Then, I applied wood glue to the edges of my top piece and I nailed it in place. Once the ends were glued and nailed, I attached a clamp holding everything together until the glue cured. Repeat these steps for both ends of the storage unit. Next, I assembled my shelves by gluing and nailing them. For the double rails of each shelf, I knocked in 2 of my small cut boards gently with a hammer and used a piece of scrap wood as spacers. I then used my staple gun to nail them in place. This will finish off the front of the storage unit so that nothing will fall out. After that, pre-drill and drill the top and bottom of the unit into your closet. Now they're ready for shoes. You can use this handy shelf in so many rooms in your home. Your bathroom, office, living room, the possibilities are endless. I hope this inspires you to think outside the box in your cluttered closets. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Home Talk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.